You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Welcome to the Cryptoteacher, and guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, of course, guys, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. Also, those who have purchased from the store, much love also. Now, of course, you saw in the video, of course, about Bitcoin going to the moon. This is not what this is about. Of course, that's just a video just to have fun. Now, guys, let's go back to the actual fundamentals. We're going to be speaking about Bitcoin and, of course, the other cryptos. And, of course, stablecoins, XRP. Now, Bitcoin, of course, is moving up, but the volume is not there, guys. The volume is not there. So, of course, that is scaring me because, of course, I'm staying focused on the fundamentals, not just the price. So right now, the volume is at about 85 billion. We know that basically we went up to, I think, like 117 when we actually hit that 12,000. And then 134 when, of course, all the mayhem went when we crashed. So basically with XRP's volume is going crazy again. Now, right now, it's about 3 billion, but XRP price is not being reflective. So, guys, make sure we're paying attention to the stable coins because, of course, we can take another dump. Now, of course, we do have the Fed writing another check tomorrow, but we don't know how much. So, remember, they stopped us from seeing the amount that they're actually getting. So, if they choose not to get any, then, of course, we're not going to get, a pump, and, of course, we may go down. Now, of course, they need Bitcoin again on the 5th. That will keep us steady. So we have one more day to actually see. But it's like I stated, make sure you are focused on the stable coins. Now, guys, what stable coin is not being talked about? Libra. Libra is in the shadows. No one is talking about it. Nobody's doing videos on it. Nobody's talking about the wallet. It's absolutely no news about Libra. But guys, anytime when we look at the actual big banks, they always bring up Libra. Now, guys, do not forget about that. Libra has already said they're going to be attached to what? All the actual basket of currencies. So, guys, make sure that we are doing our own research on Libra because the fact is that no one's talking about it. Now, remember what's special about Libra is that Nigerians are working on Libra and they're doing a language no one else is using, which is called Rust. So, guys, make sure we stay focused on that. Don't forget about it. Now, also, of course, basically a lot of people comparing Bitcoin and Ethereum as far as price is concerned. Remember, Bitcoin is a currency. Ethereum is a platform for utility. So don't get those confused. Of course, Ethereum is not going to be bigger than Bitcoin. Basically, Bitcoin is a gold. If you want to say Ethereum is a silver, you can say that whatever. But the fact is that basically, as far as what price is concerned, Ethereum is not going to get anywhere near Bitcoin's price. I just want to make sure we understand that and the plan the New World Order has. Ethereum is that platform that everybody's going to use as far as utility is concerned. It's going to change smart contracts. Is going to change the whole world of how we do things. Remember, these cryptos are for robots, not for us. It's for automation, AI. That's what it's for, guys. That's the end game. If you read my book, don't forget about that. Now, guys, this news right here is old, but basically it's just reflective of what I've been telling you, the stable coins. And, of course, XRP is a stable coin. We have Capco that came out with the actual report stating that Ripple's XRP is a stable coin, guys. I've been telling you this from the start. The only thing they're doing is trying to get it to $1, and of course they're going to push that button. But yes, stablecoin XRP is nothing but a synthetic stablecoin that can be attached to all CBDCs, gold, silver, the same as XLM. Remember what Jeb said, he wants to give it away free of charge, of course, and what that's going to do is create value, but it is a stable coin just like XLM. Now, we also had the G30. They come out talking about stable coins. We have Brian Brooks, the controller, also talk about stable coins. Why, guys? Because that resembles the same system that we have now. Only thing they're going to be doing is taking the same system we have now and moving it over to blockchain. That's the reason why I must have you understand that. And the reason why they're doing that, because remember, it's the masses. Always think like the masses. Even though you may be conscious, you still have to think like the masses. Now, the masses want everything easy. They've been dumbed down. So they want to be able to use cryptos and not even know they're using it. And that's where, of course, we see Coinbase and Binance are making it so easy to actually purchase, integrate your wallet. All that's going to be easy. And then also we remember the actual wallet passing as far as with Congress, the bill that they're going to be putting into play. So the fact is that the wallet will be attached to their bank account. They'll never know the difference. As like I said, in our country, it's contract based. So the only thing they have to do is sign and boom, they're on that system. So I just want to make sure that we're understanding that. Now, basically, JP Morgan, that's another thing that came out. JP Morgan says a correction is imminent. And we know we're going to have a correction because basically, guys, we've been mainly moving up, but of course, it's been steady. But of course, since March, we've been in an upward direction. So of course, when the stock market takes a hit right now, of course, what? Cryptos take a hit. Why? Because there is no utility in it right now. It's all speculation. That's the reason why we move down the same time as stocks do. So I just want to make sure that we're staying focused on the fundamentals. Right now, we're moving up right now as we speak today with no volume. That makes no sense. No trading volume, but we're just moving up. So that scares me to let me know that, hey, another crash is imminent and it may be tonight or tomorrow morning. But guys, make sure we stay focused on the stable coins, so therefore we know where the market is going to be. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book. Also the cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Also your stocks, Cobalt, your chip stocks, your gaming, your banking stocks. Also, basically the C word. Everybody, of course, is trying to get this vaccine going. So don't forget about the biotech stocks. Everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about those stocks. And of course, people are getting free money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. And y'all have a wonderful day.